Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another tutorial. So today's video is a quick weave. I haven't done one in a while for you guys, so I'm excited to bring you guys this one. So yeah, I started out with about 7 braids going diagonally down my head, and I do have my leave out. I did have some edge control in my leave out, so I wanted to just wash it and condition it and blow it out. So this is the part that you see me after I washed and conditioned my leave out. I just blew it dry and braided it down. But as for the braid pattern, it's just 4 diagonal braids on either side and then 1 braid in the back, and then I just braided down my leave out. So today's hair is from my own brand. It's GLEEmade hair. I'm using 3 bundles of bone straight hair. The lengths that I'm using today are 2 24s and a 22. As you can see, one bundle is a brand new bundle, and then one is from the other 2 bundles are from an old quick weave that I had done, and I didn't record that one unfortunately, but I am reusing the hair. As I've shown you guys several times before, GLEEmade hair is super high quality and it lasts forever and ever, so you can reuse it over and over again for lots of different styles. So I always reuse my quick weave hair. Anybody that tells you that you cannot reuse your GLEEmade bundles that you used for a quick weave is absolutely lying, because I do it over and over again and I show you guys in my videos. And this hair is over a year old. So I go ahead and use my handy dandy Salon Pro weave bond. This is the protective weave bond that allows your hair to be protected from glue underneath your quick weaves. So I put it all over my braids, making sure not to touch my leave out. Then I go ahead and spray my hair with my Got to Be freeze spray. Then I add on a tan stocking cap. Usually I'll go ahead and add on a black stocking cap, but I was all out of black stocking caps, so I ended up using a black dome cap. It works just as well, but I actually prefer a stocking cap because it's a little thinner and easier for me to work with when I'm like cutting it, and it's not as slippery and slick. It kind of stays in place better. But if you don't have a stocking cap, you can definitely use a dome cap, but I just prefer not to use them, but I didn't have anything else. So I went ahead and used my Yellowbird blow dryer on hot. I blow dried that bond protector to just dry it. And I make sure that I press down while I'm blowing it dry so that the cap can start to adhere to the bond protector. Then I go ahead and apply more of the protector, but I'm making sure that I'm not touching my leave out. So that's why you see that one finger that's like helping me to guide where I'm putting the bond protector so that it's not going on my leave out, because you can't see through the cap, it's so thick. So then I just blow dry that again, and then I go ahead and get started with my quick weave. So I don't know about you guys, maybe this is just me. I always have to do surgery on my glue bottle. It never wants to squirt out after it's been a while since I've used it. So I literally had to go in and like reopen my glue. Now it's working, so we can get started with our quick weave. So I go ahead and just start taking the tracks from the old quick weave. I start from the bottom of the old quick weave, remove the track, and then place it on the bottom of my new quick weave that I'm doing now. And I just keep going in that same way, using the old tracks from the old quick weave onto the new one. And then I use the old ones first because those tracks are longer. So the ones from my other quick weave are 24 inches. The brand new bundle that I just opened is the 22 inch. So I put that above. And I actually ended up putting the tracks super close together because this hair I used for my birthday look. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but I had like a cute little wavy look for my birthday photo shoot, and this is the hair from that. Do not like hold me, y'all. This video is literally from July and I'm just putting it out. I know I'm terrible, but I have so much content that I put out, you guys. I have so many videos that haven't been put out, but I was like, I really wanted to give you guys this quick weave video because it just came out so cute. So this is how far I got. So I went ahead and tied that hair up, used my GLEEmade alligator clips to hold it back. And I went ahead and started cutting away that excess cap. So you're just going to want to lift it away from your hair. Use a pair of small scissors. Grab your alligator clips so you're not cutting your weave and your tracks. Take your time. I sped this up, but you guys, I went super slow in real time doing this because I did not want to cut my hair or the tracks. So you just cut away that excess around the perimeter of your head, and then you want to cut away the middle part. Just take your time, move slowly, and most importantly, use a small pair of scissors so that you can be really precise with this part, because you don't want to mess up all the work you've done or cut your hair, God forbid. So as I said, I wanted this weave to be super thick, so I went ahead and grabbed more hair. I had a quarter of a bundle left from a wig that I had made. This is in the GLEEmade curl pattern pineapple twist wave. So I just went ahead and added those few tracks in there of the pineapple twist wave. I made sure that I put the tracks super duper close together because, again, I want this quick weave like stupid thick, even more so than I normally do it, because, you know, birthday hair just has to be extra and out of control. So I always make sure I check my hair, my perimeter, and make sure all the cap is filled and all the empty spaces are filled. And if I see any spots that need a couple extra tracks, I always just go ahead and, you know, pop a little glue on a track and fill it in. It can never hurt to just fill in any blank spots that you feel like could use a little more hair. So here we are, we have all the tracks in, and the hair is done at this point. So now all we need to do is just blow out the hair, flat iron the hair, and get it to that bone straight look that we're going for. And in order to get that nice, healthy, sleek, shine look, you definitely want to add in your GLEEmade Silk Serum. All you need is 3 pumps on either side of your head, and it's enough to get your hair bone straight and sleek and healthy looking. I love this Silk Serum. It just really works. It smells amazing, and it does the job when you're flat ironing your hair. You guys, just look at that hair. It's so beautiful, it's so thick. I am so obsessed with these bundles. All the different textures and curl patterns that I offer on GLEEmade are amazing. This straight one though, I mean, I feel like a middle part straight quick weave is still undefeated. Like, it gets me so excited. Look at my happy dance. I already know this is about to come out fire. Look at that hair. Look at that shine. Look at that fullness. I mean, I just love it. This is 2 bundles of 24 that are literally over a year old. 1 brand new bundle of 22-inch in bone straight. And then a third of a bundle of the pineapple twist wave. Absolutely obsessed. So I go ahead and take out my leave out. Time to flat iron that, blend it in, and yeah, we're almost there, you guys. And of course, the star of the show when you're talking about blending leave out into your tracks is the wax stick. This wax stick is so amazing. It sleeks your hair down. It gives it that nice luster, and it also helps the hair to stay put and not have any flyaways, which helps it really blend in with the with your tracks. So I absolutely love this GLEEmade wax stick. It is available on Amazon Prime as well. All my GLEEmade products are available on Amazon Prime. I do have links down in the description box down below, or you can order them from my personal website, GLEEmade.com. My extensions are not on Amazon Prime just yet, so you can still order those on GLEEmade, but they will be coming to Amazon Prime very, very soon, definitely before the holidays, so stay tuned for that. All right, you guys, so this is about a week later, and like I said, I ended up wearing this hair for my birthday photo shoot. I ended up taking my birthday photos myself because I literally was so busy. I ran out of time to schedule with my photographer. I always use the local photographer. His name is on Instagram is My Man Briscoe, and he always takes my birthday photos, but I waited so late, he didn't even have time to schedule with me, so I had to do my photos on my own. own. So I went ahead and used my crimper. I crimped my quick weave and my own hair, and then I put it in 2 little baby ponytails at the front, and I went ahead and grabbed my favorite Savage X Fenty bralette and undies set, and I went ahead and did my own photo shoot. I bought myself some balloons and a cake, and yeah, this was my first time doing it, but I think it came out all right. I'll put some pictures at the end so you can check out how the shoot came out, and make sure you follow me on Instagram so you never miss any of my, you know, photos and my little pics. I think I'm going to start taking more photos on my own. It's just easier that way. I don't have to schedule with anybody, and I can just do my thing. If I want to do it at 2 a.m. the night before, I can just do it myself. So I think I'm going to start doing that more and more. If you guys want to see a video on how I take my own pictures myself, I'm definitely happy to share that if that's something you guys would be interested in. And of course, what's any good hairstyle without extra and excessive baby hairs, especially for your birthday? I'm using the GLEEmade Edge Control as well as the GLEEmade Baby Hair brush. You can get the baby hair brush in a 3-pack, and the Edge Control is also available on Amazon Prime or on GLEEmade.com. So I went ahead and tied my melt band, my GLEEmade melt band around, put some hairspray to hold everything down, hairspray all over the hair, and then I was ready to do my photo shoot. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle. I know it's not for everybody, but I absolutely loved it. I think this quick weave came out so pretty, really full and thick, but at the same time, very natural and pretty looking. Even though it's like very long. I am so impressed with these GLEEmade bundles. I've had them over a year. I've used them in so many quick weave. It's insane, and they still look amazing. Make sure you guys share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a quick weave lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.